Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to run a Hadoop MapReduce to calculate the number of votes casted by the people of Ethiopia in general elections for the president position. So I've initially created a project, Utopia Vote Count, and then a package vote. I have two classes, the mapper and the reducer, and then a map reduce application or what is called the driver class. So the mapper class. Input to the mapper is in the form of a file or directory and is stored in the Hadoop file system. The mapper class reads the input file, which in our case is the votes collected at three different polling stations, and then converts this into key value pairs. The mapper reads each record in the input file as one instance. So in the key value pair, the value is always 1. The reducer. The reducer's job is to process the data that comes from the mapper. For the same key, which in our case is a candidate name, based on the input, it increases the value. Our driver class. The driver class is responsible for setting a map reduce job to run in Hadoop. So in this, we specify the job name, the format of the input and output, the names of the mapper and reducer. Then we import our reference libraries and then we run our application driver class. And then we export our it as a runnable jar file. So I click on runnable jar file. Next. So if it runs successfully, then you'll be able to see the driver driver class here. And this is the export destination. Since I've already done it, I'm not going to do it now. So you actually can click on finish. Next, in the Who browser, I have created a directory Utopia vote input and I've uploaded three input files from three different polling stations. It's gonna take a while. So yeah, three different polling stations, as you can see: booth 1, booth 2, and booth 3. Now in the terminal, I'm gonna run a Hadoop jar command to fire the job. So this is the input uh, path and this is the output path. I'm gonna run it. So here you can see that it has been successfully run and we are being provided with a URL to track the job. Now let's click on this URL. So here you can track the progress. The state is still running, so let's just wait for a while. So after it's been successfully run, since I've specified the path, we have the output file. And here is the output. So we have been able to successfully calculate the number of votes from three different polling stations. So as of our input, Jaja is going to be the president of Utopia. Thank you so much.